Okay, this is Charles here.
Hi, Keegan here.
Okay, so we're here today to make some really interesting stuff. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a utensil which is at home and we're gonna make a drum. And as you all know, during this lockdown, we're not able to use much of instruments as we used to do in our schools, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come up with a few things which you use it at home, like your utensils like spoons and like water cans and all those things, and we're going to come up making your own drums and not bothering your parents, but still we're going to use our utensils to make the drums. Right, are you all ready for it? Yeah ready, sir? Okay, let's go.
Okay, finally we are here to make our own drum kit. Yes, the materials what we're going to use here is your tape that is 3 inches, a wider one.
It's a transparent tape, right?
Yes. Yeah. They can also go to color ones, like you get in the market different colors. Bubble wrap, a sheet scissor, and spoons.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, where is our main stuff?
Sir, it's right here. It's right here.
Okay. Yes, this is the main instrument to build your drums.
Go, Astush.